Hello dear traders, welcome back here one more time with Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Let's today talk about a strategy that I used some years ago that I still will love to use it, but I don't have enough capital for doing this right now. But it's one of the strategies that give me more money in trading. Great strategy. I don't use it now because eToro changed his policy. Now the minimum for open one operation in X1 in the oil is $1,000 that I at the moment don't have available. Before was only $25, so it was very easy to, with a small account, to use this strategy and make money in the long term. But now I just need to wait to have a big account for can do it this strategy again. But it's really a great strategy. You can make a great amount of money. It's quite safe, we can say. The draft down is really rarely that you have a big draft down, but it's happened what happened last year. You can have a big draft down also about it, but the profit you can make are really good one. You need to just to play with the commission and the refund, because eToro sometimes give you to pay some commission to give you some refunds, so you need to play also with that. You need to keep in mind this stuff for use this strategy. So let's begin with the strategy first and all. This strategy don't use no one indicator, no one. It's just based on a grid. The only stuff you do it is prepare some levels in the price of the oil and stick to that level for buy every time touch that level. And if you have already one operation open in that level, don't open the second one because you don't have enough capital for that. You have three ways to use this strategy. You have the safest way, the medium way, and the high risk way. I recommend to use the safe and the medium. They are quite okay, but each one needs a different amount of capital available for you for do this strategy. So first and all, the easy way, you need at least $10,000 for make this strategy. Will be around, at the moment, how is the price at the moment, $7,000 for open operation and $3,000 for keep it for pay commission or get refund, or in case the price drop drastically, you can have a chance to some buy power to buy new positions in oil and get an extra profit. But the strategy working like that. We now see here a lot of lines. Let's concentrate in the green. Okay, the green is the zone of the oil that stop every $10. So every time the price of oil is in the zero zone, it means 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 is as buy zone. Yeah, this strategy is only a buy. You can use also in sell, but I prefer to be only in buy, because if you want to use also sell, you need to have double of amount that I just say. So better to use only in buy. And I am bull trader and I like only to buy. So every time the price drop in this level, we put a buy, we buy a position of the oil, and we close as target will be $10 up. Example is we buy in 60, the target will be 70. If we buy in 70, the target will be 80. If the price go against that position, we keep it open and concentrate in the next position, like this each time the price drop. We use leverage X1, and the minimum for open one position in X1 is $1,000. That's why you need so big amount of money for start this strategy. I know it would be nice if eToro put back the minimum of $25 for open one position. Will be great in X1 to start with $25 only. Then even a small account can use this strategy. But let's hope in the future they again do that and give us the chance to use just $25 for one operation. But okay, let's make an example. The price now is at 70, so we buy. Yeah, the price go up till 80, we can close and we get a profit around $130. Also nice, when you buy today, you get some nice refund, some overnight refund of 24 cents a day for keep that position. So that's also nice. And in the weekend, 72 cents. The price in oil, sometime the refunds become commission, so you need to also this keep in mind. Can happen you need to hold this operation for 2-3 months and you need to pay $30, $60, $90 for keep 3 months that operation, and if you're gonna get profit of 130, I think is not value to keep it one position like that. So you need to also this keep in mind if it's the right moment to buy or not, depends on the commission that eToro give it to you and the speed of the market that you're gonna learn it by practicing. Let's say now we buy here at 17, but the price dropped to 60. Then we buy one more time with $1,000. We don't increase the amount, always $1,000. And after that, the price go up and go again to 70. We can close the position of the 60 with a good profit. If we still are in refund, we can keep open the first position of $70 till 80, because we get paid for holding that position. If happened this already in commission, then when we arrive to 70 again, we close both positions, one in zero losses and one in profit, and maybe with some commission that we paid in that months or months and a half that we keep that position open. So this to keep in mind. So that's basically what it is. Every time going down the market, we buy without close the order, and the stop loss will be in zero, because it's likely difficult, for don't say impossible, that the price go below zero. It happened in the future market, but in the spot market the minimum was $7. So that was something that unique, was never happened before, and that's why I think it's unlikely that will happen again. But you need to keep in mind that this is one possibility, that you need to have ready extra cash for holding this kind of market. You need to be ready for anything, any situation, and you need to be ready for the worst situation. That's very important in this or any strategy. Okay, now let's try to make the medium risk strategy. It's the same than the easy, then safe test, but you buy every $5. So you can buy in 70, in 65, in 60, in 55, in 4, in 50, in 45, in 40, and like this, go on and go on, go on. This gives you more chance to get profit faster. You don't need to hold the position so longer, but give you an extra amount of position if the market crash very stronger, like happened in the last year, because you know the situation in the world. So that you need to keep in mind. If it can happen one more time, this is what will happen to us. So keep that in mind, very important. The good of the medium risk is that more often you're gonna get your profit in your pocket, so you will increase your profit more and more faster. So for the medium risk, the minimum amount that you need to have in your account will be $20,000. Why $20,000? Because you need to have ready for buy all this position, plus you need to have some extra cash ready in case you have some commission to pay each day for holding the position you have opened. So this is the strategy. The high risk, I'm gonna explain you faster. I don't gonna show you because I prefer you don't use it. It's just the same, but every $2. The amount you can do it also with $50,000, but the minimum amount I recommend will be $100,000. So keep that in mind. It's really risky to have so big amount in just one instrument, even if it's the oil that we still gonna have to trade this market for many years still, at least 20. But just keep in mind, it's I think too risky for try that kind of strategy. You can try in the demo account if you want it. Next videos I'm gonna make one. In the next video I'm gonna make a backtesting with the trading simulator of this strategy, like if it was a real market, when to buy, when to sell in high speed. Like this, you can see how much money you can make in 1 year. Example, the year 2020 that happened, that really crazy market. Let's see how much we will make in this kind of operation. Don't gonna be counted the commission, because I think in the simulator I cannot use the commission. I'm gonna try maybe to put always commission, I don't know, 50 cents a day or something. We will try if it's possible to do it, but if not, you need to count. We will count separately how much will be in commission and in refunds, if we understand it, for know how much we spend also for do that profit. But I'm telling you, this strategy I use it for many years. I make really good profit till eToro make the commission a little bit too high for my like it, and also the minimum amount for invested will become $1,000 in next one. It will become too big one for me at the moment. So I hope you understand the strategy. You have some question, comment me down below. I'm gonna be very happy. If not, you have the Telegram group channel in English down in the description that you can join. Always is free. Don't worry, don't need to pay nothing. You can contact me directly there. I answer more faster than in YouTube. And also keep it safe, very important. Try this one first in demo, checking good. When you feel comfortable and quiet about this strategy, try at least 3 months. I will recommend really 6 months for this strategy to try in the virtual account for looking how it's working. You have there $100,000 in them for try, so I recommend you. And after looking my video about the backtest of this strategy for looking if it's for you or no. So thank you one more time for looking the video. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Ciao guys.